Building a brand is like starting a fire. You gather everything you need. Your skills, your experiences, your passion. You stack the logs, strike the match, and nothing catches. So you keep searching for something else, the missing piece, something new, to make it work. We know that fire doesn't burn. We add more and more and more. It starts when you bring the right things together. For years I thought I had to choose between my business knowledge and my purpose. But the most powerful brands don't come from picking one thing. They come from integrating everything. The fire isn't missing. It's already
In your hands.
Grow happy like a rich hippie.